Welcome to English Room e-learning. Today we will be learning the summary of the short story How Far is the River by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author who was born on 19th May 1934. He wrote his first short story Untouchable in 1950 at the age of 16. His stories are influenced mostly by his life in the hill stations and the foothills of Himalayas, where most of his childhood was spent. That is why we can see a touch of nature, hill stations and valleys in all his works. Summary of the story is: the author introduces a 12-year-old boy and his curiosity to visit a river which he had heard about. The valley was surrounded by woods and the river was about 7 miles away. The path to the river is described as thickly forested, lonely and rocky. One day, when his parents went to visit his relative's home, leaving him all alone at home, he took this chance to realize his dream of visiting the river. The boy started his journey of exploring the nature. He kept a loaf of bread in his hand. He walked without wearing shoe or sandal. It shows how much he really loved to be the part of nature. He met a woodcutter on the way and he said, the river was away by 7 miles. He also warned the boy that it might be difficult to return before evening. But the boy continued to go. When he entered the valley, he found a girl and she said it was 20 miles away. But the boy continued to go again. After an hour, the boy met a shepherd boy and he said the river was nearby. The boy felt hungry and shared the loaf of bread with the shepherd boy. When the shepherd boy diverged into another path, he felt bored and felt like going back to home. But he didn't give up. And he felt discouraged as the river was not yet in sight. But he came more than halfway and could not go back. So he continued his journey with determination. After walking some more time, he felt complete silence. There was nothing but silence. All of a sudden, the silence broke into sound, and he found the river tumbling over rocks far down the valley. He ran down and entered the river. He felt the coldness of mountain water, and he was satisfied that his dream of touching the river came true. The author gives the reader a chance to create his own imagination by the end of the story without giving a perfect end to the story, which means the author let the reader to continue thinking about the story. The message that we get from this story, or the first thing we learn from this story apart from the beauty of nature, is never give up. He continued until he touched the river. Right in this story, the boy continued his journey of exploring the nature or finding the river, even if he was tired, or even if he was bored by walking, or even he felt discouraged, he never gave up. he continued his journey with determination so that he could reach the river and could touch the river. So the message or the lesson from this story is that never give up. The second one is, to achieve something we need to dream about it first. It is because the boy had a dream of touching or feeling this river by himself, which kept him think of that, and he continued to do something to find it out. Okay, he continued to walk to find the river out. So he had a dream. It was his dream of touching the river that took him into the mountain valley to touch the river. So I think the things are clear. And if you are new to this channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Do subscribe, share and comment. We will be coming with more and more videos, inshallah. Thank you very much for watching.